Hello everyone, this is Sundas Firdaus. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about data types in Python. What are the data types? Data types define the type of data we are storing, like numbers, text, or true and false values. Let's understand with the help of the code. So here we are storing 10 number. So 10 number we are storing inside the variable x. It comes under int data type. Now we are storing, let's say 10.5. So this is decimal number. It comes under float data type. Now we want to store text. Let's say I want to store name inside the variable name. Let's say Mike. Now, so this text come under string data type. Now I want to see true and false value. How we can use it? If we want to validate that particular data is present or not. So for that we will use Boolean data type, like true. So it comes under Boolean data type. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.